Okay, I think professionally what you're going to be faced with a lot of times is being able to like, actually formulate a problem. But then when you formulate the problem, you realize that maybe the arithmetic or time to solve it might take too long. And this is where I do recommend using a computer algebra system. And certainly in the past I've been recommending Sage a lot, but I just want to look at Wolfram Alpha. All right, so let me go to Wolfram Alpha again, Wolfram, and I'm going to say it's a good product to know about. And I'm going to do reduced row echelon form. And whoops, I got to type that uppercase letters because it's correcting my spelling. And I'm going to put down the matrix now. And I'm going to put an augmented matrix down. And the first row is 7 divided by 16, comma, 6 divided by 15, comma, 2 divided by 15, comma, 380. All right, I'm going to put the second row down, and that's 6/15. 6 divided by 15, comma, 4 divided by 15, comma, 5 divided by 15, comma, 500. And let's go for the third one. That's 2 divided by 15, 5 divided by 15. Whoops, made a mistake there, I just noticed that. 8 divided by 15, and then 620. Before I do the reduced row echelon form, I'm just going to get rid of it now. I'll come back to it later. Because I wondered, did I type it in right? I always wondered, did I make a mistake somewhere? Let's see what happens. And let's see what happens to this matrix over here. And I think I might have typed in something a little strange here. Exact results. Let's take a look. 7/16, 6/15, 2/15, 380. 6/15, 4/14, 5/15. I see it now. All right, let's write this down. It's important you look, right? And I'm seeing other things over here that are an error also. And let me do it again. It's good you look back over this. And let me just do this over here. Now, this is more what I expect to see. 7/16, 6/15, 2/15, 6/15, 4/14. I see a mistake already. I'll correct that in a moment. 5/15, 8/15, 5/15, 2/15, 380, 500, 620. So the 4/14 should be 4/15. So let me go back up here. Let me do it again. I see 7. I see another error. Let's correct it again. And that's paper and pencil would be a lot of work, wouldn't it? 7, 6, 2, 6, 4, 5, 2, 5, 8. The denominators are all 15. And I get 380, 500, 620. All right, good lesson there. Let's put the reduced row echelon form down. Let's see what happens. Reduce row echelon form. And let's see what happens. Scroll down. Wants to reduce row echelon form. And it gives it to me. It gives me, in this case, B would be 300. The S would be 300. And the the B, S, and the F would be 900. All right? So this is good to know that we can actually use a machine to help us solve things. At this point, though, I'd be honest with you, it might be hard if you thought about this thing to feed this to a machine at this point. I will say this, though, things are changing rapidly, that over time you will be able to feed something to a machine and it'll be able to read that, understand it, articulate what the problem is, and give you a solution to it. And it's something you should be aware of. All right? Thank you.